So a couple of things that we've done to get lean, which is a little different than even our sister locations do, is number one, we wanted to focus on spindle uptime. In short, you're only making money when the spindle's turning. So how do we keep this thing turning as much as possible? And what we found was changeover time was our first low-hanging fruit. We wanted to have all of our changeover time be as external as possible. So we're running on this machine here 9 different part numbers. Some of the things that a lot of manufacturers will have issues with: refixturing, clearing out and refilling tool magazines, program management, and measuring equipment. So we focused on these 4 big things. On the fixture side, these pallets, this is an FCH 450 Heller. These pallets are about $12,000–$13,000 a piece. But instead of taking the fixture away from the pallet and only having a few pallets, and then having to find your 0 points every time and re-probe in the fixture, we bought extra pallets and left the fixture bolted to the pallet. By doing that, we can now lift the whole unit, put it on the machine, and not have to find anything. Put the raw part in, send it in, and go. No CMM check is needed because we've taken out the variable of breaking it from its foundation. It's now one unit. So that was one part of the big changeover that we took care of. The other part on the tool side, that's a 430 place tool magazine. All 9 parts have all the tooling that they need in there, as well as there's a lot of open spots too. On the quality side, all the gauges are available and ready. They're in trays. They say, I'm changing to this part number. They go grab that tray, and all the measuring equipment they need is available. On the program management side, all the programs are available and ready in the NC control, and we've started a next program where we networked all of our machines with a program called NC Fit, with the idea being a central location would hold all of our part programs, and we can pull the newest version at any given time. And that would be managed by the programmers in Germany. So Germany would have their newest program edits. We would have ours at any given time. Where now it's a little bit manual. We're using flash drives and transferring them to TDM and that. So right now, out of the 25 part numbers that we have here on the large part machines, I believe there's 2 that have any external changeover time. A majority of our parts, we're doing all the changeover work while the machine's still turning. Because our clampings, a majority of them are in vertical and horizontal state. So clamping 1, clamping 2. So clamping 1's in there running while we're changing clamping 2, or clamping 2 is in there running while we're changing clamping 1. Again, almost no external changeover time. One piece flow, spindles are running at a very high rate.